Hello student, today you have to write the question number D, short answer type questions, and your first question is, why is the modern period in India significant to the Indian people? And answer is, the modern period in India significant means important, because in this period people awoke to their right to freedom and finally became independent in 1947. It means that the Indian people, modern period for the Indian people, modern period is very important to get freedom from the Britishers. Okay, and come to the next question number 2. How are newspapers important as a literary source? Literary means written source. Okay, and your answer is, newspapers are important as a literary sources as they throw light on various perspectives. Perspectives here is means that the idea, plan, scheme of society. It carry news, cartoons, letters, editorials, and even advertisement. And all of you know that in newspaper what is published? Most of the important news, cartoon, editorial, letters, all these things is written sources to get and all these things is written form, written sources important for historians. Okay, come to the next question. Why do you divide history into different periods? And your answer is, we divide history into different periods because history is a vast subject that cannot be studied at once. So, for the sake of convenience means easy, Indian history is broadly divided into 3 periods: ancient, medieval, and modern history. But you know that Indian history was also divided by the British. What is the division? Hindu, Muslim, and British. Okay, come to the next question. What do you understand by term colonialism? And your answer is, colonialism is the practice by which a powerful country directly controls less powerful countries and uses their resources to increase its own power and wealth. Understand? And come to the next question. Why did the British introduce a special kind of mapping? And here is your answer. The country had to be properly known before it could be effectively administered. So, the British introduced a special kind of mapping. You know that the Britishers wanted to rule all over the India. That's why they made map of India. Okay, thank you. And here is your homework. Okay, do question number D, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, in your fair copy.